Alrighty, Nashville's got their hot chicken. Popeyes has got this chicken sandwich thing. Never had one. So I figured Mojo could have him a sweet and spicy chicken sandwich. Let's do this recipe. I've got a little rub I'm working on here. Salt, pepper, garlic with a little bit of a kick. Maybe it'll be out one day. Let's get these thighs seasoned up pretty good. I'm gonna layer to her. And we're just gonna slide her out of the way. Let's make up a brine. We're gonna do a buttermilk brine. We're gonna put, let's say, what's that, 2 cups? I don't know. Buttermilk. And about this much of your favorite hot sauce. And we're gonna get the MOJO barbecue out. We're gonna put in 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's just gonna add a little sweet, so you can't go too bad. Let's mix her up and give her a sniff. Because if it don't smell spicy, it's not spicy. So let's just add a little more. A little more hot sauce, a little more rub. Give her a little stir and a snort. That's it. Alrighty, let's get this chicken in there. It's set, got a little sweat on it, so let's just get her all covered in this buttermilk concoction. Once we got her all pat up. Don't forget, chicken sick is not a good sick. Practice good sanitary measures. Alright, if you don't have one of these little vacuum seal boxes, get you one. Makes marinating go a little quicker. So we're going to suck the air out of this. We're going to stick her in the fridge. We can get by with 2 hours now. If you don't have one, go 4 or 6 hours overnight if you've got it. Now it's time for some sauce. This is going to make this sandwich good. Start out with a stick of butter, or 2 half sticks of butter. Makes you feel better. 1/3 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of Sriracha. Okay, maybe a little more. And 1/4 cup of vinegar. We're going to heat that up over medium heat. Say about 4 minutes. Get a good simmer going on. Then we're going to put in 1 cup of a fresh peach from Bourbon Farms. That's not my farm, that's a farm somewhere else. Anyway, we're going to let that cook up on medium heat for, say, another 5 minutes. Cover her up, put her on the back burner while we make us up a little breading. And that's simple. Flour, salt, pepper. Now, get you a good Cajun rub. You could use Tony's, but we can make it better with Malcolm's King Crawl. So that's what we're going to use. Dump a good load in there. Don't forget, you got to give it a mix and a snort. Because remember, if you can't smell it, it's not there. We done pretty good on this. Now for the dredge. It's simple. You've already got the buttermilk on it. Shake her off a little. Dump her in there and get every nook. Because last week I didn't say nook. Nook and cranny. Set her to the side. Let that flour soak up just a little of that buttermilk. Then it's time to fry them up. Let's start out about 350 degrees. I use the tongs to put this in. Not a good idea. It's stuck. Anyway, once you get that in, we're going to try to run a consistent temp of 325. And we're going to wait 3 minutes. 3 minutes is up. Give her a flip. Then wait again. 3 more minutes. So that's a total of 6 minutes if you wasn't keeping up there. And I'm going to check the temp just to make sure 6 minutes is good to tell you. And it is. We're setting at 175. So let's get her off on a wire rack to drain. And I'll show you the proper way to lay chicken in. Always away from you. And my body double will continue cooking the other 8 pieces of chicken. And here on the cutting board, we have a pretty little piece of chicken. Golden brown and crispy. Let's build this sandwich. Get you a brioche bun, toasted. A couple slices of your favorite vegetable. Lay the chicken on. Let's get this sauce. This sauce amazed me. It's got heat, it's got sweet. I think it'd be good on anything. I may just eat a spoonful, but I didn't. Get the top bun on. Give her a little twist for the camera. I think we'll have to cut this. We got to have that reveal shot. It's not going to be spectacular, but everybody else does it. So here it is. A nice, juicy, perfectly cooked sandwich with pickles. Let's take a bite and see what we think. As I said before, I do not like chicken, but this may have changed my mind. This sandwich is awesome. And it's got the sweetness. It's got that heat that just creeps up on you. That back heat that everybody needs to love. You need to try this out. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. If you like what we're doing here, hit that bell and it'll let you know when I post a video. One day I may just post an awesome one. See ya.